How to join your friend's game in totally reliable delivery service. So what you have to do firstly is, this is super simple and easy. So this video does help you. Make sure you like and subscribe. So what you have to do firstly is make sure your friends, they host a game. So what they have to do is they're gonna have to click on the second option right here and click on host game. Then once they do that, they're gonna have to put in their server name, stuff like that. They're gonna have to put in your player limit. Then you're gonna have to click on friends only, or you could click on anyone. It does not matter if you don't have them added. But if you do have them added, you're gonna have to click on friends only. That's what your friends have to do. Then once they do that, they're gonna have to click on start. But you're gonna have to just back out right here. Then you're gonna have to click on join game option right here, which should be the third option. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to click on buy now. Now for this, you do have to pay $10 right here. If you don't have $10, this is not gonna work. But your friends, they have to pay $10 and they're gonna have to put in the server code and they're gonna be able to join. That's basically how you join your friend's game in Totally Delivery Service. If this video does help you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.